All right, hello. Today we are going to go over our third page of our interactive notebook for democracy, which is over rights and responsibilities. So I have began this page by, I already colored both the box for rights and the box for responsibilities. I also colored the cute little stars on the side. I colored them red and blue, and you guys can color them whatever color you would like. So, to begin our next step, once you have the page colored, you are going to take your scissors and you are first just going to cut around the whole picture. If you see the black line, you're going to cut around that. If you need to pause the video at any time, you can. If I'm going too fast or you want to speed up the video, you can also do that too. So don't do anything with the dotted lines on the rights and responsibilities pages, okay? So you're just gonna cut around the dark, solid line. Once we have that finished, it's going to look like this, and you're not gonna need that piece of paper. Then, this is the important step, so make sure that you don't get this part wrong. You're going to turn it this way, and you're going to cut on this black solid line, not the dotted line. Once you get to this black solid line, you will stop cutting. You do not cut where the stars are. So you will have something like this. Then we are going to go to our third page of our notebook. We're going to take our glue. We are only going to put glue on the strip with the stars, not on the boxes. So I'm going to put the glue on the strip with the stars. I'm going to turn it around and paste it into my notebook. But the only thing that's going to stick into my notebook is the strip, not the boxes. And you'll find out why we didn't tape the boxes down in the next step. So now, rights and responsibilities. So being a citizen of Missouri comes with rights and responsibilities. The Missouri Constitution protects the rights of Missouri citizens. So we have rights and responsibilities. We are first going to start by flipping the rights up like a book. You can crease it down, and we're going to end up writing what the rights of a citizen are. So the first one is, as a citizen, we have the rights to say or write what we think, the freedom of speech. So that means we are able to say what we think and how we feel. So we are going to start by writing that under the first rights flap. So we will write the right to say or write what we think and that we'll do a dash, the freedom of speech. That is the first right that we are going to write down. Remember, we can pause the video at any time if you need more time writing. So the second one that we're going to write is the right to vote for our leaders. The right to vote for our leaders. The third right and the last right that we're going to write down is rights that make sure we are treated fairly. Rights that make sure we are treated fairly. Okay? So we have those three rights. The right to say or write what we think, which is the freedom of speech, the right to vote for our leaders, and then the rights that make sure we are treated fairly. Once we have those three written down, we're going to close our right side of our book. Then we're gonna go into the responsibilities portion. We're gonna close it down like we did with the rights. So the responsibilities, one of the biggest responsibilities we have as a citizen is to vote. So the first one is going to be to vote. The second responsibility, we also have a responsibility to pay taxes. So we're going to write pay taxes is one of our responsibilities as a Missouri citizen. And our last one, it is also our responsibility to obey laws. Laws keep us safe and help us get along with one another. So our last one that we are going to write, it is our responsibility to obey laws. Once we have our 3 responsibilities written down, remember to vote, pay taxes, and to obey laws, we're going to close our responsibilities section of our packet. So remember, we can go back and look at this video if we need help, and then I will see you guys in the next video.